this lesson, we are working with equivalent fractions, but we are using fraction models. So let's get started. We want to find out whether 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent. So I'm going to be using this fraction model here to show 1/3. So let's go ahead and shade in 1/3. Okay. Now, using another fraction model of the same size, we are going to show 2/6. Okay, so now that I shaded in 2/6, we can compare our fraction models, and we can say that 1/3 and 2/6 take up the same amount on each fraction model. So we can say that 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent. Let's go ahead and try another one. We want to find out whether 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent. So I'm going to show 2/3 on this fraction model here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to shade in 2/3. Don't know what happened there, so let's try that again. All right, so here we have 2/3. Using another fraction model of the same size, we are going to show 4/6. Let's go ahead and cover or shade in 4/6 as best as I can. And then you have it. We shaded in 4/6. So when we compare these two fraction models, we can see that 2/3 and 4/6 take up the same amount on the fraction model. And we can say that 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. Now, I want to show you a quick trick known as the butterfly method that you can use when you are comparing and finding equivalent fractions. So let's take a look at the fractions that they have here. They have 3/5 and 5/6. And when you cross and multiply, you are multiplying the 3 and the 6. And 3 times 6 equals 18. So here we have the product. Then you cross and multiply 5 times 5, and you get a product of 25. And here we have the 25. We can say that 5/6 is greater than 3/5 because our product 25 is greater than 18. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try this butterfly method using these two fractions. We have 3/4 and 6/8. Now I'm going to cross and multiply 3 and 8 and 4 and 6. Now when I cross and multiply 3 times 8, I get a product of 24. I'm going to circle that. And then when we cross and multiply 4 and 6, we get a product of 24. So we're going to circle that. So here we can see that our products are the same. So that lets us know that our fractions 3/4 and 6/8 is actually equivalent. And there you have it, boys and girls. So I hope that you find the butterfly method very helpful when you're trying to compare and find out whether the fractions that you're working with are equivalent. So best of luck on the work that you are about to show us very soon. Bye.